Excel Reader is to read from Excel file and then to insert data into database. We can choose any Excel file. We can display the data of Excel file. We can insert data into the database. Initially, our database is empty. All the tables are empty. All the tables have specific attributes. Now if I click on the first button, it will insert data into the first table. Insertion is done. Now if I click on second button, it will insert data into the second table. You can check insertion is done in second table. If I click on third button, it will insert data into the third table. Thank you so much for watching this video.